Are we hungry?
It's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives, but that's just my opinion.
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out? Oh!
Isn't that good?
Yes!
Oh my god.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist up?
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
Mama.
Софочка, скажи а-а-а.
Say hi to everybody.
Ня-ня-ня-ня-ня-ня. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
He's never seen a man do the dishes in so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Yes, girl.
You got it.
What's going on? Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you
just sit here and say that my daughter looks miserable.
Come here. What are you doing? Come here. It's pistachio ice cream.
Oh God. Mr. Pitiful. Oh, good. Oh, what happened, baby? Honey.
Girl, I'm not gonna be able to get you down from there. Right.
Show me your nails. Let me see.
Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
I'm so hungry. I could eat a whole cat right now.
What? Just go jump off the wall.